Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Ayan, nandito na naman tayo para i-discuss ang isang topic ng Math 9. At ang topic na pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay tungkol sa sum and product of roots of quadratic equations. Hindi na ako magpapatumpik-tumpik pa para masulit ang inyong time. Didiretso na tayo sa formula kasi meron pong formula yan. So yung formula po para sa sum, so uunahin po natin yon. Ayan. So isulat lang po natin. So yung sum or denoted by the letter S, obviously, na nanggaling po yan sa first letter ng word na sum, ay equal sa negative B over A. Ayan. Tapos yung product po, denoted by the letter P, is equivalent to C over A. Ayan. Saan ba natin makukuha yung A, B at saka C na yan? Previously, sa ating mga discussion or sa ating naunang discussion during the previous topic, natalakay po natin yung tinatawag po natin na standard form ng quadratic equation. At yun ay ang A x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So dyan po natin kukunin yung mga values po ng A, B at saka C. So let's have an example. Example po tayo agad para makarami tayo. Ang una nating example ay 2x squared plus 8x minus 10 equals 0. Kailangan muna natin hanapin, of course, yung value po ng A, B at saka C. So para mas madali po, kailangan nating tingnan ano ba yung kasama o ano ba yung pattern na sinusundan natin. So yung standard form po, ang kasama po ng x squared ay yung A. So dito, nandito po yon. Ang value po ng A natin ay 2. So this is already the value of A. Para naman sa B, ayan, naka-pattern po siya. Yun po yung kasama ng variable na x. Ayan, nandiyan na naman si x. Lagi natin nakikita. So B equals 8. Ayan, kasi positive po. Positive po yung sign ng B natin. Tapos yung C po natin ay negative 10. So don't forget yung negative kasi kasama po lahat yan. Ayan. Ngayon, we are going to apply this to our formula dito po sa taas. So, sulat po natin dyan. Huwag po natin kakalimutan yung negative. So, nandyan po yan. Negative B. So, ano ba yung B natin kanina? That is 8. So, negative 8. All over yung A. Our A is 2. So, 2. We are going to simplify. So, negative 8 divided by 2, that is negative 4. So, yan po yung sum ng ating roots ng quadratic equation. Para naman sa product, C over A. So, tingnan po natin yung C, negative 10. Ayan, isubstitute po natin siya sa formula. Negative 10 over A. Ang value po ng A ay 2. And let's simplify. Negative 10 divided by 2 will give us negative 5. That is the product. At kung mapapansin po ninyo, ito pong equation na binigay ay pwede po natin actually masimplify yan. Ayan. Pansinin po natin yung mga coefficients. Yung 2, 8, at saka 10. Meron po ba kayong naiisip na number na pwede po nating i-divide sa tatlong yan? Ayan. Yung tatlong yan, pwede po natin i-divide by 2. They are all divisible by 2. So kapag dinivide po natin yan by 2, yan tatlong yan, so 2 divided by 2 will give us 1, x squared, plus 8 divided by 2, that will become 4, x, negative 10 divided by 2, that will give us negative 5. As you can see, so 0 divided by 2 is of course 0. As you can see, the sum is already here. Nandito po siya. Ang pinagkaiba nga lang po, kung mapapansin ninyo, positive po yung nandito, negative po yung nandun. That is because yung b po natin dito ay nilagyan po natin ng sign na negative. Kaya po, ginagawa po natin sa sum, which is of course the numerical coefficient of the middle term, ginagawa lang po natin siyang negative. Yun po yung shortcut. Tapos po yung negative 5 na ano natin na constant ng ating quadratic equation, yun po yung product. So, para mas madali po na ma-solve yung ating sum at saka product, I'll give you another example. Let's just erase some parts. So, oh. No, not that. My bad. So, P yan. Kailangan pa natin yan mamaya. Okay, let's erase some parts. C. Nabura ko pati yung B. Sulat natin ulit. Formula. So, negative B. Let's erase the other parts. And okay. Huwag yan. Ayan, mahirap magbura pag mano-mano na ispay sa isa. Ayan. Another example. We have x squared plus 7x minus 18 equals 0. Kung susundan po natin yung sinabi kong shortcut, titingnan lang po natin yan para po sa sum. Ilagay po natin siya dito para magkaroon tayo ng space para sa ating solution later on. Balikan po natin yung sinabi ko. Yung sum ng roots ng quadratic equation po ay makikita po natin dito. Bale, kailangan lang po natin gawin po natin o i-negate po natin yung ating sign. So, positive yung given, gawin po nating negative, then we write 7. That is our sum. And the product of the roots is also negative 18. So yung product, hindi po magbabago ng sign. Gagayahin lang po niya yung nandito po sa ating given. So that is already our product. Paano po kung halimbawa, gagamitin natin yung formula? Yung binigyan natin na formula which is for the sum, negative b over a, and for the product equals b over a. So just the same, gaya po ng ginawa natin kanina, susulat po muna natin yung negative para sa sum. So nandito po siya. Yung b, the value of b is 7, and the value of a, the numerical coefficient of x squared is 1. So negative 7 divided by 1, it will just give you the same answer as our answer earlier. Negative 7. So c over a. So c, what's the value of c? Negative 18. And the value of a is of course 1. Negative 18 divided by 1 will give you the answer negative 18. Paano naman po kung halimbawa ang binigay na equation ay hindi po kumpleto? What do I mean by hindi kumpleto yung equation? I'll give you an example. Let us say the equation is this one. A squared minus 4 equals 0. As you can see, binomial lang po yan. Kung tutuusin, hindi siya kumpleto at first glance. Pero if you are going to examine, hindi po siya incomplete. Bakit? Kasi there is still a value for a which is equivalent to 1. Nandyan po yun. Tapos meron pa rin po tayong constant which is negative 4. So yung c is negative 4. The question is, what's the value of b? Since wala po yung b or hindi po pinakita yung middle term, it is safe to say that b equals 0. So therefore, if you're going to apply the formula, so bago natin gamitin yon, lagyan muna tayo ng sagot. Gagamitin natin yung shortcut na aking itinuro kanina. Sabi ko po kanina, yung sum is the middle term. So, kunin natin yung negative ng ating middle term, negative 0. But of course, 0 is a neutral number. Ibig sabihin, it could take the form of a positive and a negative. So why not just delete the negative part? Next, let's proceed to the product. The product is the constant term. So the constant term is negative 4. Let's write that down, negative 4. And let me just emphasize that this is only applicable, yung shortcut po na sinasabi ko, this is only applicable if and only if, so nakaligtan ko pong sabihin kanina, if and only if the value of a is equivalent to 1. If the value of a is not equivalent to 1, therefore you cannot use the shortcut that I'm telling you. So mag-ingat po tayo doon. Ngayon, sundan po natin yung formula. So negative. Susulat natin yung negative dyan kasi nasa formula siya. B, the value of b is 0. divided by the value of A is 1. So 0 or negative 0 divided by 1 is still 0. C over A, C is negative 4, and A is equivalent to 1. Then your answer is negative 4. Another example. This time, ang mangyayari po, C naman ang wala. So, ibig sabihin, the value of C is equivalent to 0. And bura, bura, bura. Okay. Let us say we have 3x squared minus 4x equals 0. Gaya nga po ng sabi ko kanina, C equals 0. And by examination, 3 is the value of A, and B is equivalent to negative 4. Ayan, sinusundan lang po natin yung ating standard form. Huwag po kayong malilito. Let's solve for the sum. The sum is negative B over A. So let's write negative. The value of B is negative 4. So let's enclose that with a parenthesis. Bakit po kailangan naka-enclose? Kasi po, by convention, hindi po pwedeng isulat yung negative at saka negative na magkasunod without a parenthesis. By convention po. So nakasanayan na po yan sa mathematics. Ayan. And of course, A is equivalent to 3. So ayan, sinubstitute po natin. Negative by negative, that's positive 4 divided by 3. So the sum of our roots is equivalent to 4/3. How about the product? Product is equivalent to C over A. C is equivalent to 0. And A is equivalent to 3. Of course, pang elementary lang po ito, 0 divided by 3 is of course 0. Ayan po. That completes our topic for the sum and product of the roots of a quadratic equation. Sa susunod po, yung susunod po na itatakal po natin na topic will be all about the application. So saan nga ba ginagamit? So watch out for more videos. If you want to subscribe, you may do so. If not, nasa inyo po yan. But para po mas maganda po ang presentation na ginawa ko para sa inyo, you may also download. So pagka kita nyo ng video, download nyo na agad para po hindi po naglalag. Okay? So yun po yung tip para po sa inyong lahat. Tapos pwede nyo i-review kahit wala kayong cellular data. So that's it. I'll see you in my next video.